Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a Facebook page to Facebook Business Manager. In this walkthrough, we'll use Meta Business Suite, which is the central place to manage your business assets on Facebook and Instagram. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct business and that you have the necessary permissions to add or manage pages. Having admin access to the page you want to add will make this process smooth. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. Once it loads, look toward the top left of the screen for your profile and business selector. Click the drop-down to confirm you're working inside the intended business account. This is important because adding a page to the wrong business can create confusion later. From that same area, choose the small settings icon, typically shown as a gear. This opens business settings, where all your assets and permissions live. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Accounts section and select Pages. You'll see a list of pages that are already connected to this business. If you manage multiple assets, it can be helpful to quickly scan this list to avoid duplicates. On the main panel, click the Add button. A window will appear with options. Choose whether you want to add an existing Facebook page to this business or create a new Facebook page. Adding an existing page is the right choice if the page already exists and you own it or have admin rights for it. Creating a new page is useful for a brand new presence that doesn't yet exist. After you select the appropriate option, follow the on-screen prompts. If you're adding an existing page, you can search by name or paste the page URL, then confirm ownership. The system may verify that your account has the required permission. If you're creating a new page, you'll be guided to choose a category, name the page, and complete the initial setup. In both cases, take a moment to review any permission or role assignments so the right people on your team can access the page as needed. When the flow completes, you'll return to the Pages list in Business Settings, where the page should now appear. Give the interface a moment to refresh if you don't see it immediately. From here, you can fine-tune roles and connect additional assets, such as ad accounts or pixels, as your workflow requires. That's it. You've successfully added a Facebook page to Facebook Business Manager using Meta Business Suite.